Have you ever felt like your body is carrying more tension that you can handle? Maybe it's that tightness around your neck and shoulders after a long day, stiffness in your back, tired muscles, or simply the need to relax and give your body some attention. This is where therapeutic massage can come in. Therapeutic massage involves the use of carefully applied hands-on technique to work on the muscle and soft tissues of the body, with the aim of promoting relaxation, easing muscle tension, and supporting overall physical comfort. Unlike a simple massage for relaxation, therapeutic massage can be tailored to specific areas where a person is experiencing muscle tightness, stiffness, or discomfort. During a session, the therapist may use different technique and varying levels of pressure depending on the individual needs and comfort. Therapeutic massage is not a replacement for medical diagnosis or treatment. If you are experiencing severe, persistent, unexplained, or worsening pain, it is more important to speak with a qualified healthcare professional so the underlying cause can be properly assessed. At Dr. Edheba Tradomedical Center, we believe that caring for your body should be approached with attention, professionalism, and compassion. Our therapeutic massage sessions are designed to provide a calm and comfortable experience while focusing on your individual needs. So, if your body has been asking for some much needed attention, perhaps it's time to listen. Visit our website at www.dredhebatrado.com or any of our social media handles at Dr. Edheba Tradomedical Center. Do well to like this video, do well to share, comment, save, and also recommend it to someone who might also need a therapeutic massage. Thank you so much for watching this video, and God bless you. Bye.